I'm back with another one, and in this one we are going to take a look at AMAX Performante 2207 6S motors. I've been using AMAX motors for many years back in the day, and they were really nice and good motors, and it was time to move on to another things, but this one got me attracted back again to the brand, because they are really something interesting. Let's open the box and see what's inside. We have vacuum sealed motor and accessories. This is the box. Let's open the motors. We got the motor itself. We will go into details on the motors later on, and we have accessories and instructions. Let's see, we have 4 screws and a lock nut. We have well, really interesting wiring diagram for the motors and some specifications. They have those new 12N 14P structures. It's 15 centimeters on the length of the motor cable. They are 2 to 6S capable. The motor weight is 28.1 grams. So yeah, pretty impressive data. But what's really interesting is the motor design itself. It's there are 2 or now 3 types of motors. There are your all-star, or rather traditional styles with the ring, and this with the ring, and this top portion of the bell that slots the magnets in, and we have the ring containing them, and we have these new types of unibell frames that are carved, or rather milled, from the same piece of aluminum from top to the sides. But what's noticeable here, that they have a ring inside the bell, so it's kind of double the material here. So I personally don't like the unibell design, because other than looks, it doesn't suit any purpose. But AMAX went with something really different and interesting. They have this outer shell or ring, but the top portion slots from the inside, making this piece really thick and durable. It doesn't add weight, because there are not 2 pieces, but rather 1 piece of the bell, and this top portion just slots into the sides. And also this shaft is not hollow all the way through. It's actually hollow all the way to the bell. Makes this really strong shaft. All the others are hollow all the way through, and I really didn't have any luck with these Zinc 2 motors. They really bend easily. I mean, I took a crash that usually wouldn't destroy a bell, but they bend the motor shaft. So I didn't have good luck with those. Yeah, the old style motors are what I would go for these days. These flywheel motors have also the hollow shaft, and these are actually what I'm expected to be a really nice motors. They have a large bearing, not too much or not too little material here that holds the motor to the frame, and really this really nice design, these ribs here, that makes the motor also cool faster and makes it more rigid. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the motor itself. It's really lightweight, because it has this really thick lip here. Should be resistant to crashes. I mean, you can see from this motor, it's usually this portion of the belt that hits an obstacle and destroys the belts. But this is really nice and thick here, and I think it should probably take a fall or two. So I have it here on my latest build. Other than the motors are looking really nice. I mean, this silver color and ribs makes it really nice and solid. So what's next? I'm going to finish up the build and take it for a spin, and I will give you my honest opinion on these motors. Yeah, let's go and do just that. So this is a setup I ended up using the motors with. I have Gemfan floppy proppy props. I have my custom designed frame called the Dream. I also have the Hobbywing 40M PSC and some special FC that is currently not available. Also Vista in the back, antenna, and GoPro bones. So yeah, what can I tell you about the motors? They're actually really good and perform identical as every other high-end motor out there, but I think these have a little edge over others because they have these ridges for cooling, and I think this design will prove to be really durable. But yeah, so for the quality and flight performance, they are very nice, and I will recommend them for you peoples to try out. So yeah, if you want to buy them, there's a link in the description, and yeah, see you in the next one.